Hi guys, I'm Vicaria Fracted II from 181 and I will teach you how to edit in Adobe Photoshop. Then this is my sample picture of a tulip and we'll teach you how to change the color of every tulip flowers in here. At first, click the magnetic lasso tool. Then drag it to the edge of the first flower to select the current flower. And then press the image menu, then adjustments, then select the color balance. Then it's up to you to change the color of the other flower. And that. Or you can use also the hue and saturation menu to change the color of the flowers. There, you can see it. The color of flowers change. Then press OK if you are contented of the color. Then press enter. Then deselect the current. Then deselect. Then click again the magnetic lasso tool. Then drag it again to the edges of the another flowers. Then right there. Then press enter if you're done. Then click again the image menu. Then the hue saturation menu to change the color of the flower. There. Right there. You can see the changes, right? Okay. That's it. Then press the select button at the select menu. Then click again the magnetic lasso tool. Then on the other flower, just drag again the magnetic lasso tool on the edges of the another flower. Be careful to drag it so that you can select right correctly the flowers that you want. Then go to image menu, then select adjustments. Again, the hue and saturation menu to change the color of your flowers. Then there. We want it blue. There. Okay, and that's it. That's it guys. Thank you.